we are going to go over how to set up your overlap guide. This welds panels to panels together. So first we're going to throw on our little stopper, which is a little clamp with a pin in it that slides into the hold so you don't have to keep readjusting your guide. First we're just going to slide the shaft onto here, and we're just going to slide that into position, lower the weld wheels, and with the speed at 0, we're going to swing that wedge in, and then we're going to look at our alignment. After everything is aligned to how you would like it, we're going to slide our little set collar over and lock this down. After locking this down, you can remove the guide and place it back in whenever, and you'll be aligned properly. The next step is to line our 2 material gaps for the material. So now what I do is I will turn the swing off and the speed to maybe 5 meters per minute. Then what I'm going to do is throw the material in, and I'm going to watch it. I want the top layer to go straight with the outside of this weld roller. So then now we're going to check our bottom, and that looks pretty good. We need the bottom material to go through this guide to the inside of these weld rollers to create your 1-inch weld. So if that one's not properly aligned, you have these 2 set screws that will move this plate left and right. So as you see here, we have a pretty good overlap weld. If you end up with a flap on either side, the bottom or the top, the guide is able to be adjusted to limit those gaps. If your bottom panel has a gap, we're going to move the bottom material holder to the left, and for the top panel holder, we're going to move it to the right. So once again, we need to have the guide lined up to where when you put the material in the guide, it goes straight from the guide into the outside of the weld roller for the top, and for the bottom to the inside of the weld roller. Straight line.